affordable Orbeez today? Let's do it together. Feed juices, feed jars, droppers, jars for oil, vegetable oil, agar. Ask a parent for help for science projects and food projects. First we'll have to start with the tall jar and vegetable oil. Save some more oil. Now we have to put the oil in the fridge. Now it's in the fridge, let's do the rest of the ingredients. Use our measuring cup. Grab the blue juice. 1.5 cups. Always save some juice so you could drink it. Voila! Have to add our juice to the pot. Need a 1/4 cup agar. Make sure to not smell it. Now mix it up. To make Orbeez because I couldn't find Orbeez at the store. So I thought, let's make something. You want to whisk it all together, so bring it to a boil. Let's add it to a jar. My parents need to help you out. Set the mixture in warm water. Make this up with our juice. Again, bring it to the boil. Now it's done boiling, add it to a cup. More juice. Now you want to save some juice. Let's take a sip of it. Tastes good. Take a hot liquid and put it in the cold oil. It makes bubbles when I do it. Isn't that cool, guys? So let's do it a couple times. What? Nope. Now let's pour this oil in the strainer. Rinse it in warm water. Let's do the red color and add it to the oil. Now strain it. Strain it. Now let's do a lemon juice. That's the last one. The Orbeez. Now let's take a bite. It kind of tastes like jelly, but kind of weird. You want to bite, Dad?
Sure.
Yes. Tastes weird, I told you.
Super weird.
Yeah.
Like little jelly bits.
Oh my gosh, look at this big one. Jelly bat. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy. Bye.